4. Once again, to call this race for us this afternoon, a gentleman who has called races since 1966. He started at Freehold back in those years, also did double duty at Roosevelt Raceway. Here's track announcer Jack E. Lee, a legend in the sport.
They're off out the middle of the track. Lotus Spur tries for the lead. Down along the inside is Ice Sparkle. Campbell on the outside with Freedom's Friend as they move around the turn, go down the backstretch. Moving up on the outside quickly for the lead is Lotus Spur. Off stride, Freedom's Friend makes a break. Freedom's Friend makes a break and trails the field. They head for the quarter pole now. Along the inside, Lotus Spur has the early lead. On the outside, Go Jamie Go right there in second. Along the inside, Ice Sparkle moving third. 2.5 lengths back to the Mo and Butchie fourth. Parked up on the outside, Babe Ruthless fifth. They by the first quarter 27-4. They move to the top of the stretch and along the inside. We've got a battle here. Lotus Spur and on the outside, Go Jamie Go. As they approach the half-mile pole, Go Jamie Go and Lotus Spur go at each other. Along the inside, Ice Sparkle is third. Babe Ruthless parked the outside fourth. Butchie fifth. Outside Lady Otra sixth. The trailers are Electric Slide, Ice Sparkle, Miss Nadia, way back to the favorite, Freedom's Friend, 57-3 for the half mile. They head down the backstretch the final time, shaking them all loose is Lotus Spur and Dick Stunnings. They lead it by 1.5 lengths. Along the inside, Ice Sparkle moves up in a second position up on the far outside, and driving now is Lady Otra and Bill Fay. They're by 3/4, and Lotus Spur is the best right now. 3/4 going 127-4 onto the final turn. On the outside, it's Lady Otra moving the challenge for the lead. Lady Otra has the lead, and on the far outside, here comes Ice Sparkle, and as they head for the wire, out in the middle of the racetrack and driving for the lead, we've got Ice Sparkle down along the inside and trying to close some ground, but with the lead, we've got Dawn Q on the outside, Electric Slide, 157-4.
So it was a stunning upset as Freedom's Friend went off stride, and from the outside,